Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got my BoxyCharm in the mail, so I am going to do my BoxyCharm unboxing today. First things about this box, this is a monthly subscription box. It does cost $21 per month to receive this subscription. It comes to you once a month, typically around this time of the month, so the 15th to the 18th, somewhere in there. And you get 5 full-size items. I have received a box with 6 full-size items in it. It's mostly high-end. There are some indie brands that tag along inside of the box as well. If you are interested in a BoxyCharm subscription, I do have a BoxyCharm link down in my information box. It's just a link. It gets me points. It doesn't affect the cost of your box, and it doesn't give me any money, just points towards items, but their items are, there's nothing in their item store ever to purchase with these points, so I don't understand the whole point system. But it's just a referral code. There's no money that exchanges hands for you using it. With that being said, let's jump into this box. So the first thing you see when you open the box is this nice little foam that they put in here, and a card. The card tells you all the information about the full-size prices of the items in the box. So we're going to set this aside for now and we'll go through it later. The next thing that's kind of falling out of the box is this Rock 2018, which is the theme of this month's box, and it's got an ingredient list on it for one of the items in here, which is interesting. Probably because it didn't come with a box, and that's the first thing I'm pulling out right now. So this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. It is by Dr. Brandt, who is a pretty expensive brand. It is a primer for under makeup. It is 1 fluid ounce, and it says it's good for all skin types. It says it's an illuminating primer. Apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use only for a natural bounce of light on the skin. Oh, use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin. So it can be used alone or under makeup. So let's take some of this out. Let me pull up my sleeve here. That's a nice little top. It comes out pretty even. It does look like it is tinted almost. It does look like it's kind of got a little bit of a tint to it, and then you rub it into your skin. The feel of that is really nice. It doesn't feel like silicone-y. It actually has kind of like a lotion feel to it. I feel like it smells like a lotion, so I'm not sure. If you're not a scent on the face kind of person, you might not like this. I don't feel like it did a lot for my skin, but I can see how that would be pretty worn alone. I don't know how it would react underneath makeup, so that'll be interesting to try. I'm very, very excited to get this. I don't typically try primers because my holy grail primer is the Laura Geller Spackle primers, and there's like a bunch to choose from, so those are typically the ones I go to, but this is nice. It'll be nice to try a new primer. The next thing I see in here is this Girlactic Matte Lip Paint in Posh. So this is a really pretty package. I love this packaging. It is super pretty. I love the little fleur-de-lis over here. And then we open it up. And I am excited because this looks like a color I might like. I have had zero luck with lip colors in my subscription boxes. I feel like they send me an awful lot of concealer tones, but this is the packaging for this guy. I love this pink muddle look, and that same color is in this Girlactic. This is not it's not a brand I've ever heard of before, so it does say it is in the color Posh. And, ooh, that's actually a pretty color. This reminds me of a ColourPop color that my daughter just got in her IPSY bag that I keep trying to steal from her. Not just got it, I mean it's been a little bit, but that's a really pretty kind of orangey color, kind of like an orange mauve color. I don't know, it's really pretty. It kind of is playing a little more orange in the viewfinder than it looks to be in real life, so I'd be interested to see what that looks like on. Maybe I'll do a get ready with me and have you guys along for the ride and use these things. I typically do. The next thing in here I'm really excited about because this is my go-to brow product. I used it on a whim because it came in a box of free items to try that I got with a purchase from Ulta for like, I purchased like $40 worth of stuff and got this IT Cosmetics box of items to try for free, and it is the IT Brow Power Brow Pencil. I'm really super excited about this. I don't know if you guys know much about this brow pencil, but it has an anti-aging formula in it. It's got biotin, it's got saw palmetto, whatever that is, antioxidants. It also is part of this Look Good, Feel Better program, and all the things that it caters to are on here in the box. So this Look Good, Feel Better program, for every one of these that is purchased, they donate one to a woman's program. Look Good, Feel Better, I believe, is a women's program that they donate to. It was, all of IT Cosmetic stuff is developed by plastic surgeons and dermatologists. Anyways, this has been my go-to brow product for a while, and 3 days ago, I think it is, I just ran out of my little deluxe sample size one that lasted forever, mind you. Just ran out of it. So what I love about this is it's not super waxy, but it's also not, it comes in one color, and that's Universal Taupe, and it gets darker the harder you press on it. But for me, like, I have like a medium press on it. For some people it's not as dark as it can be, and they don't like it because of that, but I really feel like this Universal Taupe worked well for me, who has like a lighter medium soft brown shade of eyebrow, and my daughter, who has a darker brown shade of eyebrow. I feel like it worked well for both. It does have a spoolie on the end, which is a super soft spoolie. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is probably the softest spoolie I've ever encountered on an eyebrow pencil. And this eyebrow pencil is oval in shape. Can you see it? And because of that oval shape, it is able to get into those, you know, points where you really need it, but it also can fill. This is the color of it, so it might, and this is just like a medium, this isn't heavy-handed, I guess is what I should say. This is a medium force on the pencil to give it that brown shade. It could get darker or lighter dependent on how hard you press on the pencil. My goodness, I can't find my words today. Super excited to have this. Yay, BoxyCharm. The next thing I see in here is this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette, and it is called Dreamer, I guess. Bronze and Brighten cheek palette. It comes with a blushing glow, an afterglow, and a mineral glow. So that's the back of the palette. All right. Oh, nice. This is the actual palette. This color looks a little too orange for me, but I can totally see me wearing these. The only thing I don't like about this is that looks very shimmery. Ooh, yes. Oh, God. Wow. So pigmented, you guys. I have yet to have very much luck with Pure products, if I'm being honest. So I ran my fingers over the top of this. It does feel very buttery. It is very smooth. I do love the colors, and I might have to wear them as eyeshadows. I love that it comes with a little mirror. These are the colors. Holy cow. So this is like a bronze goddess color, and this is a really pretty highlighter. I could see this as a highlighter. That I would never be able to wear as a blush. That is so orange. It's not even funny. Oh my goodness. I might have to wear this as eye color, and that's okay. It's okay with me that they have to be eye color. That brown is beautiful, but I couldn't use it as bronzer. I love this palette. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's beautiful, but these colors here won't, this one might be a great highlight, but these two other colors won't be a bronzer and won't be a blush on my face. I will use them as eyeshadows. I'm okay with that. This guy I was super excited about, and that is the Glam Metals palette by Crown. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. This highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. So you slide it out and open up the palette, and you got a cute little mirror in the shape of a guitar, which is neat. And then those are the colors. My battery died, so I had to go get another battery, so hopefully this looks the same as it did when you left me. Or when I left you. So, where was I? So these are the shadows that are in this palette. And I am really excited because the only one in here that looks like a matte shade is this black, which is whatever. So let's go ahead and swatch these. Ooh, guys, these are super buttery. They feel really buttery, and I feel like ooh, that one's pretty. The black is just a plain matte black, it appears. These are just one swipe swatches. That one's super pretty. Alright, so this is what I have for swatches. So, I am so bad at this swatch thing. So this is what I have for swatches. They are so, so pretty. Can you guys see let me see if I can face the camera. Just so. So this one, I went from the top row over, second row over, third row over, and they are exactly top row, second row, third row. So that first one is this one here. It's called Punk. That next shade is called Wild Thing, and then that's the black, and that is just a matte color. The next one here is called Rock On. This one is called Rebel, which is super, super pretty. And this one is called Heavy Metal. And then the last, I really need to up my swatch game, guys. This last section here, The Wicked, Glam Rock, and Pop Rock. I just think that those are so, so, so pretty. This orange one, kind of a mess. This orange one here is beautiful. I love those colors. I like this red color as well. That red color is so pretty. You guys, I'm a hot mess. So I need to up my swatch game. We all know this. This is part of the reason why I don't do swatches. I guess it would have went better on the front of my arm, so maybe I'll try that next time. But these are so, so pretty. So this black appears, yeah, this black appears to be the only matte in there. This one kind of has a, like a copperiness to it, kind of a sheen to it. I bet if you blended it out, it would be on your eyes like that of a matte, because it's just so matte-like. But such a pretty palette. I'm super excited to do my BoxyCharm Get Ready With Me using all these new products. I'm really super stoked about this palette, and really super stoked that it has that little guitar-shaped mirror in there. How fun is that? So let's look at what the card says. So Rock 2018 is the name of their box, or their theme this month. And so this Dr. Brandt Pour No More Luminizing Primer is $38. $38. This guy is so small. Did you see me do a double take? I thought that maybe that was wrong. But Dr. Brandt is a pretty expensive brand of makeup and skincare, so I guess that doesn't surprise me, but I get my Holy Grail primer for like $32. It does say the Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. The Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil is $24. The Galactic Matte Lip Paint is $23. The Glam Metals Palette by Crown Beauty, or Crown Pro is what it's listed as on the card, is a $25 palette. And the Pure Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette is $34. The total value of this box is $144. So $144 for a bunch of products that I only paid $21 for is pretty great, right? And realistically speaking, I bought my subscription for a year, so I actually ended up getting the longer you pay for your subscription for, the more of a discount you get on the boxes. So I think I only paid like $19.25 or $19.75 for my boxes, and I got $144 worth of product. So with that being said, that's it. That is my BoxyCharm unboxing. Let me know. I think there's a couple products in here that were varied products, so you might have gotten something different in your box. Let me know what it was. I would love to hear from you. Also, let me know what you're excited to see in my Get Ready With Me using my BoxyCharm products. I am excited, honestly, to use all of them. I don't know what we're doing with this palette yet. I will definitely use the highlighter as highlighter, but I'm not sure about the other two. Yeah, they might end up as eyeshadows. That's okay though. Anything you can use it for, I'm sure makes it worth the price, right? And I've just got two giant eyeshadow pans that I will never run out of. That's all I have for you on my BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm so happy to have this box this month. This was an amazing box. Let me know what you got in your box this month. I believe 90% of the time we all get the same product, but there's typically one or two items that are variant. I would love to hear if you got something different from me. Thanks so much for joining me today, as I know that you do not have to, and it warms my heart that you do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family here and get to see your comments on a regular basis, because I enjoy reading them and I enjoy responding to them. Makes me feel like I got friends. Thank you so much for joining me again today, and until next time, guys, bye.